It's like no other place in the school. It's like a job.
It's just so like different from like other classes where you're just like sitting at a desk working on some math problems. It's actually like hands-on and physical.
I've tried to base curriculum on what the apprentice carpenters would want to see.
I'm glad that I got to experience using the machines and knowing like if someone were to talk about like the table saw, I'm like, oh yeah, I can picture it and I know how it works and I've used it before.
They've definitely laid a base foundation.
You're constantly working on them and putting time and effort, and I think that's one of the best parts of it, is that not only are you learning how to build it, but you're also learning to work with your classmates and teach each other, and you get to take your project home, which is really awesome.
Woods 2, there's two choices. You can do cabinet making or the creative furniture, which I've gone to that ukulele build in that.
I gotta scrape down the sides to make sure that it's even, and then just do a final sand.
This class is a lot more advanced than you would think.
And there's Woods 4, which is kind of a leadership, and that's what Dalton was doing.
So right now I'm staining it. It's all ash. I have the top off. So eventually it'll all look like this color. You make a lot of mistakes throughout doing this.
Sometimes making the mistake and cutting something wrong and having to redo it is the best learning experience.
And so sometimes you just gotta recover after the mistakes you've made.
Try some of these other CTE type courses and see what you like.
Yeah, I've taken metals and technical drafting. I've been in just about every other classroom here.
We try to encourage all our kids to try all of them.
It's just something different. You might as well try it while you're here and just try something new.
You should definitely try it. And if you don't like it, then move on to a different class.
I think that the best part about it is taking your project home and seeing all the work that you put into it, because these projects don't take just short amount of time.
It takes just about a semester, so like 18 weeks. I don't know how to play a ukulele, but I wanted to make one anyways.
I can learn now that I have one. I think it's gonna push me to learn more. I'm really glad that I took the courses.